Japanese restaurant. I'm right here in Baileyton, Tennessee, at the TA truck stop. The wind's been whipping real hard. They're calling for snow showers. It was warm the last 2 days. In the last 15 hours, it's turned off cold. The wind's picked up. It's blowing hard. Look at all the trucks over there. Look at old Jory flapping in the wind. Look at old Jory. And what I do like on the other side of this wrought iron fence, here's the entrance to the TA truck stop. Trucks are lined up over there like soldiers ready to go to war. Marathon's across the street, Shell Station. An antique mall is also across the road. See that red building? That's the antique mall. And on the other side of this wrought iron or metal fence is a, look at this truck. I like this. See it? You like that truck? I can dig it. Look at here. I can dig it, my friends. Can you dig it? That's a looks like a GMC. Yeah, it's a GMC something. I'm not sure what year model it is. It's got the window busted out of the driver's side. The back window's shattered. Crack is still in there, intact. And we're right here off Interstate 81. Interstate 81's right there. What I don't know, 100 yards. There's where you get off, right there. And the wind's picked up. Like I said, we had warm weather for 2 days. Today's Wednesday. Yesterday, Tuesday, late. Actually, it was warm today. Over the last 2 hours, it's turned off really cold. This is what it looks like, my friends. Busy truck stop. And I best get back in my car, and we're going to go to a Japanese restaurant on Andrew Johnson Highway, Highway 11E in Greenville, Tennessee. 11W, 11E, better known as Andrew Johnson Highway. Busy. I went in and got me some hot coffee. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, if you ain't be positive, happy, and focused. If you ain't laughing, you ain't living. Be sure to share my videos, help my channel to be more successful. And I'll check back and see you all in the next video. Big O's out with a shout. Ah!